Red button, blue button, and boats full of deadly diseases. I'm gonna move back to focusing just on building boats, and I'm gonna start also handcrafting baits out of wood. So one of my favorite people online is Marling Baits, who handcrafts a bunch of all kinds of different baits and fishes them in the same day. I am going to emulate him a little bit because I always want to try my hand at it. I don't know if I'm going to be very good, but one of the things he stated, if you want to start out, is start out with an old broom handle. This is a shovel handle or a tool handle. I'm going to give it a shot and see what we come up with, so stay tuned. Not too bad. Freehanding it, not too bad at all. So we have to make it segmented, so there's going to be a joint, like a V in here to cut it. And I do not have a bandsaw, which is what would be preferable to doing this. We're looking at Mike Shaw's MS Slammers here. Been around for a little while. So you can see like a V and a tail. So we're kind of trying to do this. This is what I think I want to make here. Hand drawing this. Never done this before, so I have no idea if this is how this is gonna work out. Okay, guys, this is where I'm currently at. I overcut this lip a little bit, so I used some filler to narrow the gap back down, and we're gonna end up sealing that. But right now, this is where we are. Now, I need to cut some of this Lexan. They have a pretty severe angle. Thing I was seeing is they kind of round these edges a little bit. It's kind of hard to see, but they don't leave them at extremely sharp angles, so I might go sand those corners off. Alright, nothing like doing an unboxing. This should be a paint sprayer, an airbrush. Never had one of these before. So right along with doing my first actual bait here, we're gonna also try to learn airbrushing. So nothing like doing things the easy way. That's not too bad. Right as I finished that, this got delivered. It's a little smaller than the hole I was thinking.